Saving money works best when it runs in the background without constant effort. Automating savings with Spiff is built around that exact idea, turning small, consistent actions into real dollar growth over time. Start by linking your primary bank account to Spiff and setting a clear savings goal in dollars. This could be an emergency fund, rent, business capital, or long-term personal savings. Once the goal is set, automation takes over. Spiff allows you to schedule recurring transfers that move money automatically into your savings balance. Whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly, the system ensures you save before spending, not after. One of the strongest features is smart contribution control. You can automate fixed dollar amounts or percentage-based savings tied to your income. When money comes in, Spiff quietly moves a preset amount into savings without disrupting your daily expenses. This removes emotional spending decisions and builds discipline through structure. Spiff also supports roundup-style automation. Each time you spend, spare change is converted into savings in dollars. Small amounts like $1.50 or $2.75 accumulate quickly when applied consistently. Over time, this method creates noticeable savings without requiring lifestyle changes. Automation becomes more powerful when paired with spending limits. By setting boundaries on non-essential expenses, Spiff helps redirect excess funds into savings automatically. The app tracks progress in real time, showing dollar growth clearly, which reinforces consistency and commitment. To maximize results, treat automated savings as a non-negotiable expense. Adjust contribution amounts as income increases, not spending. Let Spiff handle the execution while you focus on earning more and staying consistent. With automation properly set up, savings stop being a struggle and become a system. Dollars move quietly, goals get funded steadily, and financial stability grows without daily effort.